What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay, I hope you guys watched my very last video because I showed so many new items for the week. And now I'm over here looking at the fragrances, the makeup bags. Don't forget you are magic. This is kind of like a silicone sort of feel. These are a slew of my favorite things. We have essentials. These are a slew of my favorite things. Vita Vita, a dupe for Viva La Juicy. All of the fragrances that are here in Five Below are dupes. And most of them are by the Mirage brand. So just Google Mirage and put in the name and you'll discover what the dupe is for. My favorite of all time, you guys know that if you've been with me for a long time. So good. So good. And of course, I'm just always looking for new things. I think this is new. I Slay. I Slay is new, romantic brown. And this is what we get. It's an eyeshadow set. We also have chocolate bar. Chocolate bar. We have soft glam. These are all relatively new palettes. We have Mercury. We have Beauty Book. I really love the Freeman foot lotions. They're really nice. Okay. Let's see what else we can find. That's new. In the last video, we looked at some of the new clothing items, but I want to go back and look at the tees really quick. Because if you're not constantly looking at the t-shirts, you might just miss a new one. Kindness comes back around. I know this one has been here, but I feel like maybe they've recently added the red. And I am currently wearing this one up there. That's the one I'm wearing right now. And I love wearing their tees. Hey, son. Hey. Oh, they have the groovy shirts back in stock. I kind of wanted to get one of these as a gift. Yeah, there's a mushroom lover in my life, and her birthday is coming up really soon. We have some new car charms. This is such a great place, you guys, to get weights. Such a great and affordable place. I love these so much. I have 2 sets of these, and I love them so much. We also have 10-pound dumbbells. They're $5 a piece. You guys are gonna be so happy with these if you get them here. We also have workout gloves, massagers, tons of water bottles. We have foam rollers. That's such a great deal. I mean, if you get a name brand one, you're gonna pay $20 at Walmart or something close to that. Fitness balls, just $5. They have a nice variety of them. Weighted jump ropes. Doorway sit-up bar. That's smart. Pilates rings. Balance pods. And even more weights over here. I don't think you're gonna find the heavier weights more affordable anywhere else. And then of course we have tons of $5 yoga mats also. Baseballs, the practice baseballs, the squeezy sports bottles. A unicorn blaster. That is so cute. Look how cute that is. I love that. I haven't looked over here in a while. What? Tennis rackets. We even have a bike phone mount. Aw, look, you guys. The world's smallest is here. The world's smallest Nerf hoop. Isn't it cute? We also have the arcade sound joystick. Monkeys in a barrel. Look at this one. The world's smallest drag race set. No way. Aw, so tiny. This one is, what is this, Kerplunk? Wow, that's my first time seeing those. If you guys love the world's tiniest things, you know they cost a lot more everywhere else. Let's see if we have anything new down the slime and putty aisle. Ooh, look at this. Dinosaur Land of Sand. 5 bags of sand. Each one is 3.03 ounces. Create layered sand patterns. 5 bags, 3 ounces each. We have a Sweet Shop Cafe playset. Super cute. Kinetic sands. Monster dirt refills. We have red, blue, and green. We have the gravity sands. Such a great deal. And I wonder if they still have the end cap over here. This is the Cotton Candy Slimy Sand in pink, but they also have it in purple. Oh my gosh. And look at this one. Piece of cake. They changed the confetti in this one. We also have neon butter slimy glue. Blueberry pie filling. What's this one? Grape slush. What? Make a fluffy and jelly cube. Make fluffy and jelly cube fun. This looks so cool. We also have the bubble balls slime. It has the polymer balls on the top, the little Orbeez. This is also new. The Galactic Gooey Fun. The Star Wars one. We have so many cute things over here, you guys. Fidgets, slushy slime, lime scented, squishy Kiji Buddy slime. Oh, look at the little fidget on the top. So cute. Here are some of the other ones. And then these are brand new. These are $5. The Avalanche. This is by Compound Kings. And then we have fidget cubes. Actually, they're calling them Futz cubes. And we have a variety of them here. And then, of course, we can't forget about this end cap over here. And these have been super popular on TikTok. Yes. We have the squishy buns. Look at this super cute packaging. These are $3.25. So cute. And then, of course, we have more slime buckets. We have the clear pre-made slime, 24 ounces. We have strawberry scented. We have neon blue. We have purple. We have green apple. What else? More kinetic sands. These are brand new Orbeez Wow World Wowzer Surprises Series 3. This is Polar Magic. It says Wowzer friends magically appear with water. Okay, here's the direction. So we add water for the water reveal. Now for the icy reveal, we add ice water, and then the little animal appears. But for the water reveal, we just add water, and then the little animal appears. Super cute. And then they're like cute little snow globes, kinda. And then we have tons of fidgets here, and these are brand new. Oh my gosh, you guys. When I was a kid, we used to make these with paper, and we would write little things in there, and we would like say, pick a number, pick a color, and then we would just do this little, if you're my age, I'm not even gonna explain any further, but they were super satisfying. And this looks really, really satisfying. It's called Kamagami. It's a neon kaleidoscope. Flips into 4 different designs. Calming, fidget fun. This does look really, really satisfying. Isn't this guy so cute? Aww. Cute little sensory fidget toy. Love these. I'm just finding so many good things today. We even have some Hello Kitty journals here. Actually, it's a planner, an 88 sheet planner, and a super pretty pink one. It's a wellness planner. So adorable. Quilted journals. Last time I came in and I filmed, they had just gotten like 17 new palettes, and of course hadn't put everything out yet because it just came in. So I was like, aw, kind of feeling like I missed out, but I don't feel that way at all, you guys, because they have so many new items. But I think that's it for me, you guys. I think I'm gonna head off to some other stores and film more videos for you guys, but I had a lot of fun here in Five Below. I hope you did too. Definitely hit that little button and subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.